What stops regional organizations from preventing genocide effectively? Imagine a group of neighbors trying to stop a fire in one of their houses. They want to help, but they face many hurdles that make their job harder. That's similar to what regional organizations experience when trying to prevent genocide. These groups are meant to step in and help keep people safe, but they often run into big obstacles. One major issue is political interests. Member states in these organizations often have their own goals and priorities. If a country benefits from a conflict or has ties to one side, it might hesitate to act against it. This makes it hard for the organization to take a clear stand or intervene quickly. Another problem is that many regional organizations don't have enough resources. They might lack the money, military strength, or diplomatic influence needed to stop violence. Without these tools, they can't enforce laws or protect civilians effectively. Getting all member states to agree on what to do can also be very difficult. Different countries have different views, histories, and alliances. When they can't find common ground, action gets delayed or even blocked completely. This lack of unity weakens their ability to respond swiftly to threats. Even though international humanitarian law, including the Geneva Conventions and the laws of armed conflict, provides rules to protect people, regional organizations often don't have strong legal mechanisms to enforce these laws. They might know what should be done, but they lack the authority or legal tools to make it happen. Enforcing international law is another challenge. When member states are involved in conflicts, it becomes tricky for regional groups to hold perpetrators accountable. Without accountability, violence can continue unchecked. Regional organizations often depend on outside help from international bodies like the United Nations. If that support isn't consistent or strong enough, their efforts can be undermined. They might not have the backup needed to act decisively. Cultural and historical factors also play a role. Understanding the roots of conflicts is essential, but sometimes regional organizations overlook these aspects. Ignoring local contexts can lead to ineffective strategies that don't address the real causes of violence. Finally, early warning systems are vital for stopping genocide before it happens. But many regional groups lack the resources or infrastructure to develop and maintain these systems. Without early alerts, they are often too late to prevent mass atrocities. In the end, even though regional organizations have the potential to help prevent genocide, these challenges make their work difficult. Strengthening their institutions, improving legal tools, and working closely with international organizations can help them do a better job of protecting civilians and stopping violence before it spreads.